Hello, welcome to another cursive writing session. Now, what is the letter that we are going to learn today? I am not going to tell you, but I am going to give you a hint. Now, can you think of the letter that comes after G? What comes after G? Keep thinking. Did you guess it? No? Okay. Let me give you some more hints. I'm going to say a few words. You just listen to the beginning sound of those words. Okay? He, him, her, home, hide, hop. I'm sure you have guessed it by now. Yes? Right. The letter is H. Shall we begin? Are you all ready, children? Concentrate, observe, and learning cursive letters becomes very easy if you observe how to form the strokes. Okay? Now, today you're going to learn the cursive letter H. H is also as simple as L and B that you have already learned. The first stroke, like I told you, is the same. So, it's a very simple and easy letter to learn. Now, let me begin from here as usual. 1, 2, and 3. The third line, down to up, slanting line, followed by a straight line. And, you know, do you all remember writing the letter N, children? The same as the cursive end. Now I'm going to write a stroke that looks exactly like the N that you have learned. Right? Do you see the N here? But N has a grandfather stick on the top. But H is a top zone letter, so it touches on the top. Now, this is how your H is going to look. Look once more. Your slanting line and the straight line remains the same, with followed by a N. Do you see a small gap on the top? That gap should be seen. Got it? Slanting, straight, followed by the N stroke, and as usual the football kick. Now every cursive letter always ends with a stroke like this. You know, children, why we end the strokes like this? Because later when you start joining the letters with each other, these are the strokes that help in joining. Now let me show you once more. Slanting line, followed by a straight line, and the end stroke, ending with a football kick. Now if you observe that my end stroke, what I call it as, touches this line and the bottom line. It should touch the top line and also the bottom line. You cannot take a turn midway or above the line. It should touch the second line. I hope you all have understood. Let me show you once more. Slanting line, straight line, and an end stroke makes the cursive H. Slanting line, straight line, followed by the end stroke. Got it? Now children, like you all have learnt in the middle zone letters, even in the top zone, the moment you start the stroke till you end the stroke, you're not allowed to lift your hand up. It is a continuous flow in which you have to write. Now, look at the steps which you need to follow one by one. I'm going to show you. As usual, slanting line down to up. The second stroke is slanting line followed by the straight line. Got it? And the third stroke is slanting line followed by the straight line with the end stroke. And the last step is slanting line followed by the straight line, the end stroke ending with a football kick. Got it? Now, the same steps you need to follow one by one and learn how to write H, and then use write in your cursive book. Now, this is the most important part of your cursive letter learning because you should know the mistakes that you should not do while writing the cursive letter H. Now, let me repeat once more that the first stroke is slanting, and if the second stroke also becomes slanting, then your H will look like this, which is a wrong way to write. And another one is, don't make your loop on the top very fat like this, which is not the right way again. And one more thing, children, like I told you, let me repeat that the joining of the first line and the second line should not come at the bottom of this line. This is also not the right way to write. Yours first stroke and the second stroke should meet at this point, which is the correct way to write. And one more mistake that can happen at times is you write the first stroke and the second stroke, and the H at times may end up not touching the second line. That also is not the right way of writing. You should remember to touch the end stroke at the second line. And one more thing is slanting line, and when you write this line, let this not become a very fat one, and this should not be a sharp one. Got it? It should be a roundish one here, and this is the right way of writing: slanting, straight, followed by an end stroke and a turning like this. Got it, children? Now, let's write in the cursive notebook. Now, are you all ready with a sharp pencil and an eraser? Now, open page number 37 and write along with me. You can write the date on which day you are going to do this cursive H. And now, come to the first line and write slanting line, straight line, and the end stroke. Slanting line, straight line, followed by the end stroke. Slanting line, straight line, followed by the end stroke. Slanting line, straight line, end stroke. The end stroke should end with the football kick like this. Slanting line, straight line with a football kick. Slanting line, straight line, edge. Now, I've written 2 lines for you. Now I want you all to complete the whole page and also practice in your classwork book, which is have red lines like this and with a sample letters with the help of your parents. Will you all practice this, children? Very good. See you all next time. Bye bye.